for that, first what I will find determinant of A. This be a matrix A. How to find determinant of A? That element, say this 2 is my element, I will multiplying with its minor. So minor will be
4
I
plus
need to hide this element. Just hide
6.
this. What will be left? 2 to the
4
4
plus 6.
minus minus plus 3 to the 6. So it will be 10. Clear?
Yes, sir.
2
Yes.
2 to the 4 plus 3 to the 6. Now plus, then I need to change the sign. So minus into minus becomes plus 3 times. I need to hide its corresponding element. So it will be 2 to the 4 minus 3 to the 9. Answer is minus 5 plus 3. If I hide this element, minus 4 minus 6. So I will
भैया हमको
minus 10.
पता
Hmm?
भैया how will we know that we have to use adjoint or minor whatever?
See, determinant of a formula I have said, right? What you need to do is first you need to have an element of right written over here, and you need to multiply with the minor. That is a11 m11, a12 m12, a13 m13. After finding, you need to alternate the sign. That is plus, minus. So if you see a11 is 2, 2 to the 4 plus 6, 10, m11. a12 is minus into minus plus 3. What about m12? You need to hide the elements of this. So you will be left with 2 to the 4 minus 9. The value will be minus 5. What about a13? a13 is 3. m13 is minus 4 minus 6 minus 10. Now if you see here 20 minus 15 minus 30. 20 minus 15 is 5. 5 minus 20, 30 is minus 25. If determinant of A is not equals to 0, that means you can find out the inverse, because it's a non-singular matrix. Now after just finding determinant of A, now what I need to do, I need to find adjoint of A. For getting adjoint, what I will need to do, I need to find cofactors. So in order to find cofactors, first I need to find minors. So I'll be writing the m11, m12, m13, m21, m22, m23, m31, m32, m33, and then a minus sign over here, wherever the elements I plus j is odd. So m11, m12, m13 we have just found out, that is 10, minus minus again plus 5 minus 10. m11 we find it as 10, m12 as minus 5, but there is minus, so minus into minus is plus, and m13 is minus 10. Similarly, note for m21, m22 and m23, let me know what are the value it will be there. For m21, what you will do, you will hide this element, minus 6 plus 4 minus
4.
2, minus minus plus 2. What about m22? As this is shortcut method, that's why I'm not solving entirely. I'm just writing the values, because if in shortcut also if you provide entire application, then it will take long. It will consume more time. What about m22? 4 minus 9. The value will be minus 5. What about m23? 2 to the 4 plus 6.
I think M12 is wrong.
m12. m12 should be 2 to the 4. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Marika, can you check it again? If you hide this, you will be left with 2 into 2 is 4.
M21.
m21. Okay, let us check.
Second row, first column.
Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Minus 3 into, see if I add the minus 6, and yeah, you're right, minus 6 plus 6, it should be 0, right?
Yep.
It is minus 3 into 2, minus 6 plus 6 is 0. What about m22? 2 to the 4 minus 9 is minus 5. What about m23? Minus 4 plus 9 is m23 again. It is minus 4 minus minus plus 9. So you will be left with 5, but it will be minus 5. Why? Because minus is there. Till here it is clear.
Yes.
What about
Yes.
m31? m31 you need to hide again. Minus 9 minus 3 to the 6. So we'll value it minus 15. Minus 15. What about m32? 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6 minus 6. Again it is 0. And last one, what about this? 2 to the 4, 4 plus
Sir,
6, 10.
and 3 2. 3 and 2.
3 to the 6
3 to
minus
the 6. 2 to 3
See here.
है ना
3 to the
2.
6 minus 6, right? 0. So this is adjoint of A. Once you find adjoint, this again I need to take transpose of this. See, I've written transpose. So my value will be 10, 5 minus 10, 0 minus 5 minus 5, minus 15, 0, 10. This is adjoint of A. My formula for A inverse was 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. A inverse was 1 upon adjoint of A into determinant of A. So what about 1 upon adjoint of A? You will be writing 1 upon minus 25 times the value. So the answer will be, if you solve this, the answer will be minus 2 by 5.
3 by 5. 1 by 5. 2 by 5. 1 by 5. 2 by 5.
So this will be A inverse if you solve it out. Now see the complexity which we have even like simplified in our shortcut method. Imagine if you now start applying row elimination, it will take more time to solve. So this answer we need to verify now. Let's start applying row operation. So the question is 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2. So this is my question. So what I need to do is, again the concept would be A inverse into A is equals to I. A inverse is what? That I need to find. A is 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 2, and I is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Previously, this type of question used to be asked for 6 marks. So that means the topic is important and it is complex little bit. Now what I need to do in order to make this, first I will apply R2 changes to R2 minus R1, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. That means both row 2 and row 3 I am subtracting both with R1. Let us see what we get. 2 minus 3, 3. 2 minus 2 is and 1, 0, 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. Clear? It is clear. What you need to make? You need to make 1, 0. So if you see it here, you are getting 5. So what I will be doing is R2 divided by 5 in order to make it as 0, 1, 0. So what I will be getting A inverse 2 minus 3, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. And similarly over here, one upon 5, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. Now after applying over here, what I will be doing is A inverse is R2 upon 5. Now in order to make it as 0, 1, 0, if you have got, now I will just write R1 changes to R1 minus 2 R3. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. 1 minus 1 minus 2 times R3. So value will be 1 plus 2 is 3, 0, 1 minus 2 is minus 2, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, minus 1, 0, 1. Are you following? Now R1 needs to be divided by R1 by 5 in order to make it as 1. So what I will be left with? A inverse times 0 minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. So again same you need to apply over here also. 3 by 5, 0, minus 2 by 5, minus rest the elements will be as it is. So I will be just writing it as it is. So if you see here 0, 1, 0. Now if I just add these two, that is, if I make R1 is to R1 plus R3, R2, what will be the value? The value would be A inverse times 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. Just add these two R1 plus R2, what will be left with? 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is 2 by 5, 0, and the element is minus 2 by 5 plus 1 is 3 by 5. So I'll be adding 3 by 5. Rest of the elements will be as it is, 1 by 5 minus 1, 0, and 0 and 1, 0 and 1. Now what I need to do again after applying this operation, as you can see, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1. So what I will be doing is I will be applying one operation. R3 changes to R3 minus R2 plus R1. Apply this, what you will get? A inverse is 0, 0, 1. Why I applied this? In order to make it as 1, 0, 0 form. So what happens if I apply this? 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 minus 0 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1, 0, 0 plus 0 is 0.
0.
Minus 0 plus 1 is
0.
again 0. So apply the same over here. 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0. Add this R3, minus 1, minus minus, plus 1 by 5, plus 2 by 5. So minus 1 plus 2 by 5 is minus 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5 plus 1 is minus 2 by 5. For this, minus 1 by 5, and for the last element, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 plus 3 by 5 is nothing but 8 by 5. But as you can see, now what I need to do, I need to interchange R1 and R3. So if I interchange R1 and R3, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, similarly the value would be minus 2 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 8 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 0, and 3 by 5. Let us verify our answer, whether it is right or wrong. If I see over here, my answer is something minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5. Somewhere mistake we have done now. Minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5, by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5. So our R2 is as it is, but R1 and R3, if you see, there is something mistake. So we need to again check our steps from here. Let us check if any mistake is done. So let us see from here itself. Question is 2 minus 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. R2 minus 0, 5, 1, minus 1, and 2 minus 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 minus 3, 0, R2 minus 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, this is minus 2, minus 2 plus 3 is 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 1, 0, 0, R3 minus R1, so 0, minus 1, 0, 1, here it is correct. R2 by 5 implies 2 minus 3, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 1, as it is, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0. After that, we applied R1 changes to R1 minus 2 R3. That means, if you see over here, what will be the value? R1 minus 2 R3. 2 minus 2, 0, minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5, 3 plus 2 is 5. Rest of the element as it is. Similarly here, R1 minus 2 R3, 1 plus 2 is 3, 0, and it is 0 minus 2. So this step is also right. Then we need to see R1 changes to R1 by 5. So what is A inverse? 0 minus 1 1, 0 1 0, 1 1 minus 1, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, minus remaining elements as it is. After that, we applied R1 changes to R1 plus R2. That means we have just add these two. So 0 0, and it is 1. 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is 2 by 5, 0. So here we have done the mistake, if you see. R1 changes to R1 plus R2. It should be 2 by 5. 0 plus 1 by 5 will be 1 by 5. I have written over here. So it would be 1 by 5 and it would be minus 2 by 5. After applying over here, now we'll be left with R3 changes to R2. 2 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0. 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. So value will be minus 2 by 5. 0 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. The value would be 0.
2 by
And again, what about this? 1 minus 0 plus 2 by 5.
2.
1 minus 0 plus 2 by 5. The value would be 7 by 5. But minus 2 by 5, 1 second, let us see the question. Minus 1, minus 2 by 5, 0. The value should be 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0. 2 by 5, correct, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5. Only the element which is not matching is this one. All the elements as it is coming as it is. Let me write that first. What will be the values? Values are, if I change 2 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 0. I am left, the value that is being altered is this one. So 7 by 5 we are getting, right? 1 minus 0. Oh, sorry, it is minus 2 by 5 plus R1 means minus 2 by 5. The value is 3 by 5. So it is correct. So if you see, answer is same. So now imagine the complexity of this problem. So like normal also, if we take by a shortcut method, if you know the answer, then at least you know whether your answer is wrong or right. So the operations need to be performed accordingly, and finally the answer you can know whether it is right or not, because this carries 6 marks.